Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1, subject as English. Dear students, today we will study unit 3, lesson 7 just for fun. This lesson has been mentioned at page 21. Okay? Now activity A at page 21. Do the crossword puzzle. In this question, students, you have to put letters in empty spaces. Okay, now clues across. Number 1 picture, butter. Okay, you have to put the missing letters across. Now butter, what's the spelling of butter? B. Now put here U. Now again T, and then after E we have to put R. Okay, now it's the spelling of butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Okay, and then 4, number 4. This is number 4. Look at this number, this is 4. Okay, and you have to put the letters across. And what's this? Yes, this is a glass. After G you have to put L. Yes, after L you have to put A, then S, then again S. Yes, this is the spelling of glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass. Then what comes? Number 6. Oh, this is 6. And what's this? It is jam, a bottle of jam. Okay, J-A-M, jam. Yes, jam. Now number 7. Yes, what's this? Yes, it is meat. Okay, we eat meat. And number 7, yes, M-E-A-T. Now read this word, meat, meat. Now number 8, banana. Yes, this is number 8. Okay, what's the spelling of banana? B, then A, then N, then A, then again N, then A. Now read this word, banana. Okay, now the last one, across position, number 9. Yes, what's this? It is an orange. Yes, and where is 9? Yes, this is 9, and this is a cross. You have to put the remaining letters of orange across position. Okay, now orange, R-A-N-G-E. Yes, now we have completed all the words across position. Now we have to put all the letters downwards. Okay, now number 1, bread. Yeah, this is done for you, B-R-E-A-D, bread. Number 2, tea. Yes, tea. And where is number 2? Now we have to go downwards. After T, E, then A. Yes, this is the spelling of tea, T-E-A-T. Then number 3, egg. Yes, number 3, egg, E, and after E, what's the letter comes? Yes, G. You are right, E-G-G, egg. Now number 5. Where is 5? Search, find out. Yes, this is number 5. And this is, what is this? This is sweet, S-W-E-E and T. This is the spelling of sweet, S-W-E-E-T, sweet. And number 7, yes, your favorite fruit, mango. Yes, number 7. Yes, this is number 7. We have to move downwards, M-A-N. It is already here. Now G, then O, mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Number 8, the last one. Okay, and what's this? It is a bean. Okay, and where is number 8? Yes, B. Then after B we put E, then A, then N. Yes, now we have completed this activity. Yes, B part, answer the riddles. Yes, B, answer the riddles. This activity has been also mentioned at page 21. Okay. Number 1, I say moo moo, I give you milk. Who am I? Yes, moo moo, and it gives you milk. Hurry up, tell me. Yes, I am a cow. Yes, I am a cow. Number 2, I say cluck cluck, I give you eggs. Who am I? Yes, I am a hen. I am a hen. Number 3, I say meow meow, I eat rats. Yes, who am I? I am a cat. Yes. Number 4, I say woof woof, I eat meat. Who am I? Yes, you are right, I am a dog. Now we will start Unit 4, Checkup Time. This unit has been mentioned at page 22. Yes, students, read a question. Listen to your teacher, draw a line from the person to the correct food and color it. Again read. Listen to your teacher, draw a line from the person to the correct food and color it. Okay, and here I am your teacher. Okay, now first we have to tell names of all these persons. This is mummy. Okay, this is mummy, this is daddy, this is Sarah, this is Ali, and this is Fiza. Okay, again I am repeating. This is mummy, this is daddy, this is Sarah, this is Ali, and this is Fiza. And listen, mummy has 10 beans. Mummy has 10 beans. Yes, match, hurry up. Where are the beans? Yes, they are beans. Now you have to match like this. Mummy has 10 beans. Now daddy has 8 eggs. Where are the eggs? Hurry up, tell me. Daddy has 8 eggs. Yes, you are right, they are eggs. Now match. Okay, and now Sarah has 5 sweets. Where are the sweets? Sarah has 5 sweets. Where are the sweets? Yes, you are right, they are sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sweets. Okay, match. Now this is Ali, and Ali has 3 ice creams. Ali has 3 ice creams. 1, 2, 3. Match. And now the last one, Fiza. Fiza has 5 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Match. Hurry up. Now question B. How many? Ask and answer questions about the pictures in. Okay. Example. How many mangoes does Fiza have? She has 5 mangoes. Students, here you have to make the questions and then you have to reply. Then you have to give answers. Okay. Now number 1. How many mangoes does Fiza have? Yes, how many mangoes does Fiza have? Look at this picture. How many mangoes does Fiza have? First you have to write question. How many mangoes does Fiza have? Then you have to write answer. She has 5 mangoes. And then here Ali. Where is Ali? Yes, this is Ali. And Ali has 3 ice creams. First you make the question, how many ice creams does Ali have? What is the question? How many ice creams does Ali have? Like this. How many ice creams does Ali have? And what's the answer? Yes, he has 3 ice creams. Repeat after me. He has 3 ice creams. Right? He has 3 ice creams. He has 3 ice creams. Now the next one, Sarah. The next person is Sarah. And where is Sarah? Look at. And Sarah has 5 sweets. Okay, first you make question, how many sweets does Sarah have? Yes, how many sweets does Sarah have? She has 5 sweets. Write the answer. She has 5 sweets. Now daddy, okay, and where's the daddy? Look at this picture. This is daddy, and you know daddy has 8 eggs, okay. How many eggs does daddy have? First write the question, how many eggs does daddy have? He has 8 eggs. Write the answer. He has 8 eggs. Like this. He has 8 eggs. The last person is mummy, okay. And you know, where is the mummy? This is mummy. And you know, mummy has 10 beans, okay. Mummy has 10 beans. Yes, first write the question, how many beans does mummy have? How many beans does mummy have? She has 10 beans. First write the question, how many beans does mummy have? She has 10 beans, okay. Students, you have to make the questions and answers, okay, in your copybook. Students, you have to make questions and answers in your copybook. Now students, the lesson has been completed here. Now your homework and guidelines for your parents. A. Ask the child to complete A and B at page 21 in his or her copybook. पेज नंबर 21 में जो क्वेश्चन ए है और बी है वो बच्चे कॉपी बुक में करेंगे, ठीक है. बी. Ask the child to complete A at page 22. ए क्वेश्चन जो है बच्चे वो बुक में कंप्लीट करेंगे. आपने जो क्वेश्चन ए है पेज नंबर 28 में, उसको आप बुक में सॉल्व करवाएंगे, कॉपी बुक में नहीं करवाएंगे. देन सी. आस्क द चाइल्ड टू कंप्लीट बी. सी. आस्क द चाइल्ड टू कंप्लीट बी, question B from page. Now C. Ask the child to complete question B from page 22 in his or her copybook. क्वेश्चन जो B है वो भी हम जो है पेज नंबर 22 पे, क्वेश्चन B पेज नंबर 22 पे जो दिया हुआ है वो आपने बच्चों से कॉपी बुक में करवाना है. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जज़ाकल्लाह. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.